Now that we're pretty much locked down for the winter months here in New England, I got my windows shut, the doors are bolted shut, got the forced hot air cranking and drying everything out nicely, getting the allergens and the sinuses all dried out. Well, figured I picked up these 2 Levoit True HEPA air purifiers to help out with that. It's gonna help alleviate some of that stale air and any of the allergens caught up in the rug and the furniture, and the dust floating around the house being blown around by the hot air furnace. So I'm going to open up one of these. We're going to test it out, play around with it. I'll give you my first impressions of it. We'll see how it goes. I bought 2 of these for the house. Got one in the main living space and one in the master bedroom. So it helped me sleep with less congestion, hopefully. So let's just take a look at this box here, see what it says. It's the Levoit True HEPA Air Filter Core 300. It's got a 3-stage filtration system. Filters 99.97 pollutants. Perfect for 220 square foot rooms. It's got the quiet operation mode, which is one of the main reasons why I got it outside of the HEPA filter. It's supposed to be quiet in the bedroom. And we're going to test the decibel level here in just a second. Let's see, 3 speeds, sleep mode, timer function. It's got a display lock, a check filter indicator light, and a display off and on. Again, for the bedroom at night, you don't want too many blue lights or anything flashing at night. Drives you kind of crazy. It's just a package contents here. We're going to open this up in a second. So let's open the box up. Okay, cut this open. Okay, let's see what's inside here. I'm assuming it's going to be pretty simple. That's the way it was advertised. So we have a manual and some quick start instructions. All right, let's check out the packaging. Packaging looks nice. You got the foam here, and here's the unit. So pull that right out. It's all intact. And there's nothing else in here. And I just put that down. So looks pretty good so far, and looks like they tied a knot in the bottom here. Open this up, and looks like the filter's sitting at the bottom here. The top is your controls and the fan. So let's get rid of this. Okay, so the cord is about 6 feet, 6-foot cord. This says, if you can see that from the top, right here, it says open, close. So I'm guessing you turn it to unlock it. The lid comes off. Looks like the filter is in there. It's kind of cool, kind of neat. It's all self-contained. Easy packaging. So let's open this up and take a look at this filter. All right, so we got this filter here. Looks like you've got a light mesh on the outside here, a darker carbon mesh on the inside, and there's probably some like a paper type filter in between. So let's get this in here. This way here, I'm assuming, so you can pull it out. So let's take a look what it says here. And it actually shows it with the handle up. So we're going to put it with the handle up this way here. And it doesn't lock in. There's no locking. It doesn't look like there's any locking mechanisms in there. You can see the fan at the bottom there. Okay, let's pop that in. Place the 2 arrows here and here and lock it in. Flip it over. And we'll take a look at the top here. We have some icons here. Looks like you have the fan control, the night mode, a timer that you could set for 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours. The fan speed is 1, 2, and 3, the lock, and the filter. And then this little icon here is for you're turning your light on or off so you don't have too much glare at night. Types of filters that you can get with this. The one that comes in here is the original, which is the Core 300 RF. There's also the pet allergy filter. There's a toxin absorber filter, I guess if you're working around lots of fumes and stuff, and a smoke remover filter for, if you have, if you're near some of the forest fires and things like that of California, probably you want to get some type of filter that will filter out the smoke, or if you've got smokers in the house, it might be good for you. We don't have that here, so I'm using just the standard filter that it came with. From what I've read on some of the reviews, a lot of people love this little unit. They have larger units. I'll leave some links down in the description on this unit here. So let's plug it in. Plug this thing in here. All right, so you can see it turn on. Let's tap it, power. Now these are not touch screen. There's only certain buttons that will work here. So if you hit the 1, the 2, and the 3 here, the hours, the blues, nothing works. It's the white icons that are going to make this work. So right now it's on 1. And that's the lowest setting. I don't know if you can hear it. I'll put the mic next to it. So it's very quiet, very quiet. I mean, if I'm standing this far away, barely hear it. So I'm guessing in the bedroom it's going to be very, very quiet. So let's turn it on to 2. Pretty strong. Let's go 3. Hey, now it's cooking. So you can hear that. It's like a hairdryer. It's actually not bad. Not bad. It's even on the fastest setting, it's actually not that loud. So tap it again, go back to 1. Let's see what this moon here, the night, does. So it actually slows it down even more. But it's still going. All right, let's see what the timer does. So 2 hours. Tap it again, 4, 6, and 8. So if you only want to set it for a little while, I guess that works. If you turn that off, it just continual running. So let's get the fan back on. That one there doesn't turn on. That turns off the light, but it is still on. You can see it. We're going to give this a try. I'm going to put this into the bedroom. So I've got a sound analyzer app on my phone, and we're going to test just the ambient sound. So I'm going to turn it on to each setting, and we're going to test the sound level. Okay, so after the first impression on this, I really like this little unit here, this Levoit. It's easy to use, not too much to it. Just a couple of buttons here for the speed, for the timer, and that night mode I really like. I like the fact to be able to turn off the lights on it so you don't get any glare in the bedroom. I got to say, it's really quiet. If you have one, let me know what you think of it. If you've had it for a while, again, I just got it a few days ago. I've only been using it for a couple of days now, and I do notice a little bit of a difference in the way it works. It's easy to work, and the air is less stale. It just felt fresher. And I don't know if that was just me or the HEPA filter doing its own thing, but it does seem different. But overall, I like the little unit. It's easy to use. I'll put some links down in the description section. I hope you enjoyed my quick review and unboxing of this Levoit True HEPA Air Purifier. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.